an accident, cause this must be heaven. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot.
Yes, people, how we all doing? I forgot to film an intro, so here we are. We're currently fishing at Float Fish Farm on Lapwing Lake. There's carp up to £40, I think, or just under. And there's also one cat in here that goes up to £80. But yeah, I've got everything set up, as you can see in the video. Gonna get the rods out, and yeah, I'll let you lot carry on with the video. Here we are, just sending the boat out, getting the second rod out until this first rod comes screaming off. So I managed to hook into it, and then it managed to unhook. So there's a bit going, but we're going to get the rods out and then chill out for a bit. Yes, people, how we all doing? Just a quick update on tonight. Unfortunately, we lost one this morning. My own fault, putting the boat under the first rod, thinking I hit the first rod. It was a fish, but we learned from that. I won't be doing that again. But it's just a little update. The wind is picking up heavy, so I'm just gonna make a tea, have some food. I've got 2 solid bags out as I am a boat down, so I've got to make a game plan for tomorrow to see if I can catapult some bait out, and then yeah, we'll just see how tonight goes. Put some food on, chill out for a bit, watch a film, and then hopefully I see you lot tonight with a fish, or I'll see you in the morning with a nice breakfast. unfortunately it's been a quiet night. No fish, no bleeps. It was very peaceful. So it's what, 9 o'clock in the morning now. I'm gonna get some bags out, try and get a bit of bait over the top of it and see how it goes. And then I'll catch up with you once I've done that. Whilst I'm editing this, I've just realised most of the audio in these next clips won't be the best. The wind was too powerful and bashing us up. Not good. Not good at all. We're just going to go with solid bags at the moment because we are down a boat. And I ain't got my spot rod like a twat. So it's just another mistake I've made. Let's try and get this bag out at some point when the wind decides to stop being a bastard. I know where some clear spots are, but it's just trying to get them out. It has chilled out a bit. I just need a couple seconds where it's chilled out, so my rod and my rigs ain't going nowhere, which is a pain in the arse at the moment. But let's see, and hopefully be able to get something out there. Because if I ain't got no rods in the water, I ain't fishing for a fish. So I'd rather have something out instead of nothing. Okay, here we go. Might have a bit of a chance now. Try to finally get something out. I've had them out for about half hour now. That's one out. So basically what I quickly had to do, I had to chuck my tripod into the bivvy. It kept blowing over, causing me headaches, so this wind is killing me. It is doing me over bad. Started to rain a little bit, but can't do nothing. I sent the boat out yesterday and even the boat was getting wiped out. I just need to try and track this out, make sure there's a little like bud, make sure we're landing on stone. I come very unprepared for this lake, noddy me, but you know, let's have a look. Okay, let's try this, hopefully try and get this out without any problems. obviously if I do catch on a zig, I will be putting another one out. So we're just gonna see how it goes. I've got the new OMC zig zombies on. Expensive for what they are, but they do look cool. I will give it to them. The wind is not too bad right now, so let's I have some food. I'll show you what food I'm cooking in a minute, and yeah, it's just a waiting game. I'll catch up with you lot if anything else new happens. But yeah, see you. How are we all? Just a little quick update. I've just refreshed the right and middle hand rod. Didn't feel like, weren't getting no signs anyway, so I just baited them back up, got them back out, and now I'm just going to redo the zig rod, and hopefully we can bag a fish tonight, because I don't really want this to be a video where we don't catch, so I don't want to lose my streak. So it's my first proper session. I did a session down Blue Bell this year already, but I won't give it all my all. How are we all doing? Just a quick update. It is currently 6:15. Rod's been out for a while now, so I'm going to leave it another half hour just before it starts to get dark. Redo the rods, try and catapult a bit more bait over the top of them, and yeah, hopefully we have something tonight. If not, we've got a couple hours in the morning to hopefully try and complete this trip. If not, we'll be back for another session. It's me, where I'm standing now. That's why I managed to get some boilies. Yes people, how are we all doing? It's just a quick update. It's about 9:20 now. No bites, nothing, no bleeps. So I'm just gonna chill out for a bit. I'll probably go to bed about 12 o'clock. So I'll keep you guys updated and we'll see how tonight goes. Yes people, just an update. It's currently 12:15. I am logging off now. I've heard nothing, not seen nothing, so hopefully I'll see you guys in the night with fish, or I'll see you in the morning when I'm packing up to go home. And unfortunately that's our time done. No fish caught unfortunately, but we'll be back down this complex anytime soon, trying a new lake. But thank you all for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one. Yes people, how are we all doing? Going through pretty much packed up now. Got a couple of bits there, beds upstairs. So yeah, unfortunately we didn't catch, but you know, we'll give it another crack, and thank you all for watching.